Hey guys, welcome to Stack Nova and I am a full stack developer. So on this channel, we are going to learn React.js, Node.js, full stack development and build real world project together. This is actually my first YouTube video, so I am really excited to start this journey. And in today's video, we will create our first React.js application step by step. Why we use React with Vite? Before we starting building application, let's first understand why we are using React with Vite. React is a JavaScript library using to build modern and interactive user interface. For example, button, navbar, login form, dashboard, e-commerce website. All this front-end part can be built easily using React. Now React itself on only help you create the UI, but to actually create a project, run in it, the browser and manage the development environment, we need a tool. That's where Vite comes in. Vite is a modern front-end build tool that help us create and run React application very fast. Earlier, developer mostly used to create React app for React project, but create React app was slower, especially when project become larger. White solve this problem by providing faster startup time, instant hot reload, better performance, simple configure. That's why nowadays most modern React developers prefer Vite. Example the command. First step. Step 1. Create a project. Open terminal, new terminal, VS Code. Now write a command npm create Vite @latest. This command create a new React project using Vite. After running the command, it asks us some question like project name. The give project name React hyphen app. Select framework variant. Framework selected React. Variant should select JavaScript. We select yes. React JavaScript step remove. We have to wait few minutes. All in installing independent dependency with npm. Now we have to step 2. Step 2, move into project folder cd React app. We have to command cd cd React React mm, React hyphen app. Enter command. This command moves us inside the project folder. Step 3, install dependency. We have to write a command npm install. Now this command install all the requirement package and dependency needed for the React application. Step 4, start development server npm run them. Now we have to give a command npm run for server start. Now our server is started. We have to click on this link and follow link. Open. See now our browser is working. Our React app application is working. Now we have to, after running it Vite give us a local URL when when we Vite give us local URL, we can open the URL in browser. Our React application are running successfully. Okay. Why Vite is faster? One major reason why Vite is popular is speed. In older tool like Create React app, the entire application had to reload frequently during a development, but Vite use a much more optimized system. So when we save a file, only the change part update. Browser reload become almost instant. This features is called hot model replacement or HMR. Example explain fold. After creating the project, we get some important file and folder. The most important folder is SRC. This folder. Inside SRC, app.js main component. This is main component app.js. Mm, let remove this all. Remove or comment out this. There is no use. Let me now comment out. Main.js connect React to browser. This file. Acid image and file. App.js is where we usually start building our UI here. Simple real world analogy, you can think or React as the engine for building the front end of a website, and Vite is like a super faster machine that helps us run and develop the React project smoothly. Close line. So in this short, React help us build user interface. Vite help us create and run React application faster and more efficiently. So inside the SRC folder, I am going to create a new file called navbar. Basically, a component in React is just a reusable piece of. In SRC, we create now name bar. We write to extension JX. This is a React extension. Basic reusable piece of UI. For example, navbar, button, card, footer. All these things can be recreated separate component. Now inside a navbar, just let write some simple code. First, I will. Now we have to use some shortcut to write a code. First, write a code simple. We have to use snap is used in React development with the VS Code extension shortcut. We have to write now RCFE is a shortcut snap is using in React for code. All these components can be created as separate component. Now inside the navbar, let's write some simple code function and explain. Let me explain this step by step. Here we create a function called navbar. We are create a function navbar this, and inside a return we are returning HTML using text. We now write a H1 tag. H1 tag here write hello React. Okay, and inside a return we are writing. So whatever we write inside return will appear on the screen. Right now we are simply displaying hello React using a H1 tag, and this line ex- export default navbar is used to export the component so we can use it on other file. Now let's go to app.js and explain this navbar component. Okay, here now now let's go to app. Import this navbar component. First write import nav from this is path, and now here we basically bring the navbar component into the app.js. Now inside the app console, let render the component. We are render the component navbar export default. So this navbar tag work just like an HTML tag, but actually it are custom React component. Now when we save the file and browser, you can see hello React display on the screen successfully. So congratulations, we just created use our first React component. See here browser. So yeah guys, this was our first React tutorial for beginner. In the next video we learn about JS component props and React hooks in more detail. If you found this videos helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching it, and I will see you in the next video.